Rahim. Alaikum. This is Alyzaee with lecture 9 stream 3. In this we will be discussing price determination under monopoly and monopolistic competition. So stay tuned. Price determination under monopoly during short periods. So in this diagram you can have a look at it. The abnormal profit, which is A, B and CD. So this shows the abnormal profit. In the graph, the firm is in equilibrium at point O and Q. OA or QB is the price, CQ is the average total cost, and the gray area mentioned here, as I have said, ABCD represents monopoly profit. Monopolistic competition, so it may be defined as a combination of both perfect competition and monopoly. It is a middle point of the two extreme situations. It refers to that market situation in which large number of producers produce goods which are close substitute of each other, like Pepsi and Coke, Colgate and Sparkle. So these goods are similar but not exactly identical or homogeneous, but their use is the same. Some important characteristics of monopolistic competition are as follows: the large number of firms, production differentiations, free entry and exit of firm, selling cost, the higher advertising cost, non-price competition, no collusion among firms, consumers attachment, firm is price maker and not taker. Now we will be discussing oligopoly. It is the imperfect market where there are a few sellers in the market. So they are producing identical products. Products are close but not perfect substitutes of each other. So some examples are for steels, cement, cigarette, aluminium, tires, automobiles, soft drinks. So as I have given the examples in previous slides, the Pepsi and Coke, Toyota and Honda. So like PTCL and Nayatel. So in our country's context, these are some few famous examples of oligopoly. Now we will be looking at the dominant firm and competitive French leadership. As per the assumptions, the market sharing between dominating firm and other firms can be seen by graphs below. So we can look at it, the outputs of the output and the price in between the comparison. So we can look at it that who are the leading suppliers and where supply from small firms where they pitch. So in this situation, AB is equal to OQ, that is supply of the leader. Once the leader firm sets its price OP, the market demand curve for smaller firm is the horizontal price line that shows here as PB.